things to rest. I wasn't gonna go to his house.
OJ was devastated and irate when he learned of the affair. He demanded that Chris give him Todd's phone number. A few years later, Robert Kardashian would defend OJ in the murder of Nicole. But of this earlier day, Chris wrote that OJ